Good morning, students. Okay. Yesterday I discussed about the topic, that is the arithmetic progression for class 10, chapter number 5. It is very important topic for board examination point of view or any competitive examination point of view. Now yesterday we have discussed means sum of n terms in AP. What is the meaning of the sequence? What is the meaning of arithmetic progression? Okay, what is the common difference? What is the first term? Already yesterday class I discussed it. Now in particular we will find the particular term or last term of the expression by using the formula a n. Nth term of the series is equal to L is equal to formula a plus n minus 1 into d. You know the formula? Yes. A plus n minus 1 into d. Yes. A is called first term, B is called common difference, and D is called number of terms in that expansion. Okay, my dear students. Now, already I explained what I explained. What I am explaining is general form of the AP. A, comma, A plus B, A plus 2B, A plus 3B. So on A plus n minus 1. This is first term, this is second term, this is third term. General form of AP. Already I explained yesterday. Now, suppose three terms are in AP. What is the meaning of AP means? The sequence of the numbers. The sequence of what is the sequence means? A definite order, any order, particular order. Okay, you will take any two consecutive numbers. Those difference must should equal, means same. Same means equal. For suppose three numbers are A, B, C are in A. For any three numbers forms A. These three numbers are in. What is the meaning definition? The difference of the two consecutive numbers is same. The difference means this one difference. Difference of these two means common difference. That is B minus A. Now common difference is C minus B. Is equal or not? Yes, 100% equal. Minus B this side. 2B is equal to minus B this here means B plus B. 2B equal minus A plus A, then equal to A plus A. How to write? A, B, C are in A, B. A comma B comma C are in A. What is the formula? 2B is equal to A plus A. Twice the middle term is equal to sum of the two remaining terms. Twice the middle term is equal to sum of the two remaining terms. For suppose in the examination point of view, x plus 1, x plus 2 are in A. Then find out 2x, x plus 1, x plus 2 are in A. For suppose, find the value of x. Find the value of x. What is the formula? Twice the middle term is equal. What is the formula? Twice the middle term. Twice the middle term is equal to. Twice the middle term equal. Sum of the two remaining terms. This is 2x plus x plus 2. Now what happened? 2x plus 2 is equal to 2x plus 2 is equal to 2x plus x. 3x plus 2. Okay, my dear students. Okay, no problem at all. Here 2 cancel. 3x minus 2x means x value equal to. Simple. Now remember, any three terms are in AP, that equal to, what is the meaning of that term is? Twice the middle term is equal to sum of the two remaining terms. Sum of the two remaining terms. Twice the middle term is equal to sum of the two remaining terms. Next, what we learned yesterday? Here, this is the formula, one formula, A, B, C are in AP, is this one. Next, sum of n terms in AP. Sum of n terms in AP formula, Sn. S suffix n. Sum of n terms means sum of 100 natural numbers. First 100 natural numbers. Next even numbers, sum of even numbers, 50 even numbers. Okay, 1 to 100, the numbers which are divisible by 5. How many numbers are there? Then find the sum. That type of questions asking. Okay, my dear students. Now Sn is equal formula. What is the formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into 2. Otherwise, n by 2 into, this is also write as a plus a. Already explained. A plus a. L is the last term. Okay, my dear students. Now, first of all, here, how to find the Tn? Sn is given. How to find the Tn is Sn minus 1. Sn minus 1. That's why that is very, very simple. Tn is equal to Sn minus 1. Yesterday class, I discussed these formulas. You remember these formulas. Okay, my dear students. Now, we will go to the problems. What are the problems is going on this? A given, B given. Then write the, first suppose A value is given, B value is given. Write the first 4 terms. A value 10 is given, B value 10 is given. Write the first 4 terms. What is the first 4 terms? First term is A, second term is A plus B. Okay, we will do in that way also. Okay, 2 methods I will explain. First term is equal to, write the first 4 terms. First term is equal to 100% A. Now second term is equal to A plus B. This is 10. That equal to 10 plus 10. That equal to 20. Third term is equal to A plus 2B. 10 plus 2 into 10. 10 plus 20. That equal to 30. Fourth term. What is the fourth term? A plus 3D. Fourth term A plus 3D. Fifth term A plus 4D. 100th term A plus 1990. 20th term A plus 19D. 25th term A plus 24D. That equal 10 plus 3 into 10. That is equal 10 plus 30. That equal 40. That's why. What is the series? 10, 20, 30, 40. This is one method. Second method already yesterday explained. First you write the 10 first term. After that you add the common difference to the preceding term. Here 10 is there. What is the common difference? 10. You will add the 10 to this 10 means 20. Again you add the 10 to preceding term. 20 plus 10 30. Again 10 means 40. We will do in this way also. This way we will find the first 4 terms of the series. How to find the common difference? First of all, how to find the common? This one is there. First of all, this series is given. Find the common difference. How to find the common difference? D is equal to difference between any two consecutive numbers. 20 minus 10, 30 minus 20, 40 minus 20. Enough. That is the common difference. Okay, my dear students. These are very, very easy problems. Now, I have discussed about the problems on nth term. What is the formula of nth term, my dear students? Nth term is equal to, what is the formula of nth term? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into B. In this question, find the number of terms asked. Find the number of terms is n. Last term is given. Find the number of terms we will find. Okay? Now we will go to the one problem. What is that one is? Find the 10th term of AP. What is that one? First question. Find 10th term. 10th term of AP. What is the series? 2. What is given? 2, 7, 12, so on. 10th term. 10th term means A plus 9D. Nth term formula A plus n minus 1D. 10th term is A10. A10 is 10 minus 1. Therefore A plus 9D will find. You remember immediately. What you find? 10th term will find. 10th term is A plus 9D. 11th term A plus 10D. 20th term A plus 19D. Okay, my dear students. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. A plus 9D. A plus 9D. Very, very simple, my dear students. Okay, that is 10th term of AP 2, 7, 12. How to find the 10th term? Now 10th term means first what is the he find? 10th term. 10th term means what is the formula? A10. A10 is equal to formula A plus 9D. Why? Because here 10 minus 1, 9D. Now find the A. What is the meaning of A? A means first term. What is the first term? A is equal to. What is D? D means common difference. Any two already given. AP is given means 100% difference. What is the difference? 7 minus 2 or 12 minus 7, whatever may be. Whenever I told you, whenever the series is increasing series, the A, what is that one? The D is positive. Okay, that is 7 minus 2, that is 5. Now substitute A10 is equal to A means 2 plus 9 into D, D means 5. 2 plus 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 2 how much? 47. Very, very simple, my dear students. Okay. Next question. We will go to the next question. Now remember that formula. AN is equal to formula A plus N minus 1 into D, my dear students. Now, what is going on? Which term of the AP? Which term of the AP? Which term of the AP means? Which term of the AP? You can find the N value. Which term of the AP? What the AP means? 21, 18, 15, so on is minus 81. Okay? Okay, my dear students. Which term of the AP is minus 81? Means in the series 21, 18, 15, that is equal to minus 81. This is 100% last term. You can find the value of N. Which term of the AP is minus 81? Means what is, first of all, last term is minus 81. Which term? Which term? That is, we find the value of N. Here A is equal to how much? 21. D, difference, common difference, this one 8, decreasing series. Whenever decrease, compulsory common difference is negative. 18 minus 21, that equal minus 13. Sorry, minus 3, not minus 13, minus 3. 18 minus 21, that equal minus 3. Last is given L, last term is given minus 81. Which term of the series is minus 81? Last term is minus 81. Which term is? We can find the N. We know that. That's why I am telling you yesterday. First read the formula carefully. After that you will write the given data. What is given, what you find. Okay, now you can find the N value is equal to question mark. Which term of the AP? Now we find the N value. N value 10 means 10th term. N value 20 means 20th term. Whatever may be. Okay, my dear students, we know that L is equal to formula A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, L means minus 81 is equal to A value 21 plus N minus 1 into D. D means minus 3. Here 21 this side, what happened? Minus 81 minus 21. Minus 102 is equal to N minus 1 into minus 3. Here N product is there. Now N minus 1 is equal to minus 102 by minus 3. This one cancel. Third table, 3 1s are 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. That equal N minus 1 equal 34. N equal 100%, how much? 35. Which term is equal to minus 81 means 35th term is equal to minus 81. 100%. Now we will go to the determine the AP whose third term is 5, seventh term is 9. We will find the AP. AP means we will find the series. What is given? What is going on? What is given? Determine the AP. Determine, find AP. What is given? Whose third term is 5. Third term. A3 is equal to 5. And third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. Seventh term A7 equal to 9. This is given. A3 means third term, A7 is seventh term is 9. Then find the AP. AP means general form A plus D. First our goal is we find the A and D. After that we will write easily. First term is A. After that we add the D to the preceding term. Means before term we add the D. Okay. What is the meaning of this one given? What is given? A3 is equal to 5. A3 means third term. What is the third term formula? A plus 2D is equal to 5. This is equation number 1. Third term is equal to A plus 2D. This is A7 is equal to 9. What is the meaning of that? A7 means A plus 6D is equal to 9. This is equation number 2. 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1. From these two equations we solve to find the values of A and D. Now 2 minus 1, no problem. A plus 6D is equal to 9. a plus 2d is equal to 5. Subtraction, minus minus minus, these two are cancelled. 6d minus 2d means 4d, 9 minus 5 means 4. D is equal to how much? 1. D value is 1. Only D value is 1. Okay, my dear students. Now D equal substitute in 1. What happened? A plus 2 into D value 1 is equal to 5. A is equal to 5 minus 2. A is equal to how much? 3. A is equal to 3. Now the AP is, first write the A, 3. After that you will add the common difference to the preceding term. What the common difference is? 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. Okay, my dear students. Observe that third term. What is the series is going on? A3 equal to 5, A7 is equal to third term is equal to 5. Third term is equal to 5. Okay. Third term is equal to 5. First, second, third. Fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Third term is equal to 5. Seventh term equal to 9. Simple, my dear students. Okay. Next one we go to how many, how many means you can find the compulsory value n. Okay. This way we will do the problems, very easy problems. How many 2 digit numbers are divisible by 3, not divisible by 3, divisible by 4 or divisible by 5, divisible by 6, divisible by 6, whatever may be. How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? How many means you will find the number n. First, what are the 2-digit numbers? You know the 2-digit numbers or not? 1-digit numbers, single digit number 0 to 9, 2-digit numbers 10 to 99, 3-digit numbers 100 to 999, 4-digit numbers 1000 to 9999, 5-digit number 10,000 to 99,999. You remember 100%. Here asking only 2-digit number. 2-digit numbers. 2-digit number. Actually 2-digit numbers are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 up to 99 only. 2-digit numbers. 10 to 99. But in this one, divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Multiples of 3. 10 is a multiple of 3? No. 11 is multiple of 3? No. Next 12. Yes. 12 by 3 means 4. 13, 14 not. Means what are the 2-digit numbers divisible by 3 means 12. After you add the 3, 100%. 15. First number you will find. First out divisible by 2 means 10. 10, 12. 2 difference. Divisible by 3 means 3 difference. Divisible by 4 means first we will find the first number. After that we add the 4. Okay. 15. After that 18. Last 100. Actual 3-digit number. 99. 99 is divisible by 3. Yes or no? Yes. This is a series. We will find the series in this way. Sequence. A definite order. Divisible by 3. But suppose 2-digit number divisible by 4. Divisible by 4 means 12 also divisible by 4. After that you will add 4. 12, 16, 20, 24. Last one. 98 would last 99 not. 98 is there. For suppose it is in 4. 4 2s are 8, 1, 8 not. This is 96 100%. That's why last number is 96. For suppose divisible by 5. 5 is 100% 10. 10, 15, 20. Last one is 95. Divisible by 6. Divisible by 6 means up to 12. 12, 18. Okay, my dear students. Last one is 100% 96, I think. 6 1s are 6, 36, 6 6 are 36. Okay, 66 are 96. Okay, that's why we will take. Not this problem, we will develop the concept. Okay, divisible by 3, 4, whatever may be, 2-digit number or 3-digit number, what is given. Okay, here observe that. Here A value is equal to 12, D value is equal to 15 minus 12, that equal 3, last L is equal to 99. Now the question mark is N. L is equal to 99. What is the formula is going on? L is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. L means 99 is equal to 12 plus N minus 1 into D. D means 3. 99 minus 12 is equal to N minus 1 into 3. 99 minus 12 how much? 87. 87 is equal to N minus 1 into 3. Now N minus 1 is equal to 87 by 3. N minus 1 is equal to 87 means 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. 27 means 9. 29. N is equal to how much? 30. Minus 1 plus 29. N equal to 30. How many terms? How many terms? How many 2-digit numbers which are divisible by 3? Means 30 terms are there. So many 2-digit numbers are there, means from 10 to 99, means nearly 90 terms are there. Nearly 90 terms are there, 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers are 90. In that one compulsory 30 are divisible by 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3. Okay, my dear student. In this way we will do the problems. Next, we will go to the next problem. Find the 31st term of the AP. Find 31st A31 AP whose 11th term A11 is equal to 38. 16th term A16th is equal to 73. Then find the 31th term. Find the 31th term of AP whose 11th term is 38, 16th term is 73. What is given? 11th term A11 is equal to 38. What is the meaning of this one? A plus 10D is equal to 38. This is equation number 1. Next, what is given? 16th term is equal to 73. What is the meaning of this one? A plus 15D is equal to 73. Now, subtraction 2 minus 1, no problem at all. A plus 15D is equal to 73. A plus 10D is equal to 38. Subtraction minus minus. These two are cancelled. 15 minus 10 means 5D. 5D is equal to how much? 73 minus 38. 12 means 25, 100%. Okay, my dear student. 12, 35. 30 plus 30, 35. Okay, 12, 23. 12, 23 means 35. D is equal to how much? 35 by 5. 7. D value 7. Substitute in 1. Substitute in 1. A plus 10 into D 7 is equal to 38. A plus, okay, my dear students. A 70 is equal to 38. If A is equal to 38 minus 70. 38 minus 70 how much? Minus 32. A value minus 32. Now we will find A31. A31 formula A plus 30D. A means minus 32 plus 30 into D. D value is 7. Minus 32 plus 210. 30 into 7. 7 3s are 21. 210. What happened this one? 210 minus 32. How much? 278. 278. That is the simple answers. Okay, my dear students. Now we will go to the next problem. First we will write what is the given data. First we will find out. After that we will do. Otherwise we cannot do anything. Now the next question is, How many three-digit numbers? How many three-digit numbers are divisible by 7? How many three-digit numbers? Three-digit, very important numbers, which are divisible by 7. Are divisible by 7. Three-digit numbers. Actually, what are the three-digit numbers? 100, 101, 2, 999, 999. These are the three-digit numbers. How many means we will find the n value. First, divisible by 7. 100, difference is 7. Divisible by 7 means common difference 100% 7. Each and every common difference 100% 7. Divisible by 5 means common difference 100% 5. 4 means common difference is 4. Okay, 100 is divisible by 7? No. 101? 101 divisible by 7. 7 1 the 7, 31. No. 102, 103, 105. Observe that. 7 1 the 7, 3, 35. 7 5 the 35. Yeah. 15 7 the 105. Now starting is 105. 105. First one. Next term, the three-digit numbers. The three-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. 105. Next 112. Next 119. So on. What about last one? This one is observe that. What is first about 999? Divisible by 7. 7 1s are 7, 29. 7 4s are 28. 1 9. 7 2s are how much? 14. What is the difference? 5. Remainder is 5. Remainder is 0 means 5 subtract. 5 subtract means 9994. 100%. Observe that. 7 1s are 7, 2 9. 7 4s are 28, 1 4. 7 2s are 14. Yes. What about that one? Last one? 9994. 100%. First, last digit we divide with the whatever may be. 7 is given, 5 is given. What is the remainder? 5 is remainder. You subtract 5 from the last digit. We will get the last number. Okay. What is that one? 994. Here A value 105, 100% D value is 7, L is equal to 994. Now N is equal to question mark. L is equal to formula A plus N minus 1 into D. Now 994, A value 105 plus N minus 1 into D, D value is 7. 994 minus 105 is equal to N minus 1 into 7. 994 minus 105, how much? How much? Subtraction, no problem. 994, 105. Subtraction means this is 14, 14 means 9, this is 8, this is 9 minus 1 means 8, 889. 889. 889, N minus 1 into 7. Therefore, N minus 1 is equal to 889 by 7. N minus 1, here 7 1s are 7, 18, 7 2s are 14, 4 49. 7 1s are 7, 18, 7 2s are 14, 4 49, 7 7s are 49. Equal 127. N equal 127 plus 1. N equal 128. Okay, my dear students. In this way, we will do the problems. Very, very simple. Okay, we will practice the more number of questions in our textbook. If you have any doubt, please contact my personal WhatsApp number and subscribe my YouTube channel, Lakshman Rudra. Thank you.